Judges takes place after Joshua, when Israel is settled in the land. After Joshua's death, Israel has no king or central leader. The book of Judges follows a repeating cycle. The people turn away from God and follow their own ways. This leads to trouble and oppression. The people cry out to God for help. God raises up a judge to rescue them. The judge brings peace for a time. But after the judge dies, the cycle begins again. Each cycle leads to greater compromise and confusion. Judges ends with this statement: everyone did what was right in their own eyes. The real problem: Israel didn't just need better judges, they needed a king. Why Judges matters. Judges shows the danger of living without God's leadership.